guys, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you all guys for tuning in. So my amazing people, in today's video I just want to show you mini shopping, or I don't know how to put it. Okay, so I bought this. I ordered this here. This is fake nails. The nails is inside, so I ordered it online and I just received it some few hours ago, and I want to show you how to fix these nails. Okay, you know, there are a lot of women. I've watched some videos whereby they went to store, you know, to do manicure, pedicure and everything. So I would rather prefer this, because this one here, let me open it. You can see the nails. So it's different type. Actually, it's not that too cost. I got all this one for 15 euros. Okay, so let me show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. You can see it here. I don't know if you can really see it. Okay, so it's two types. This is the first one, came like this. Then I have the second one. Look at the second one. This is how it looks inside. Okay, you can see the nails. This is how it looks. So they put this plastic inside. I don't know what it's called. Look at it, to fix the nails. Now I'll be showing you how to fix the nails. It's very, very easy. If you want to remove it, you can still remove it and keep them. Okay, this one is very, very easy and simple. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to fix it. I tried it before on my finger. Trust me guys, it was looking very beautiful. So, and I believe it's going to last, because according to the description, here is the paper inside. There is one, there is one paper that they put inside. They said it's going to last for 7 days. When you fix it on your fingers, it's going to last for 7 days, even if you are washing your dishes and everything. So in my house, I don't, you know, I normally wash dishes with my hands, but to wash clothes I use washing machine. So guys, let's go and try it out, how it looks. Okay, so it's just 15 euro. Let me pick the other one. Sorry guys, so it's 15 euro. I got this one for 15 euro. I think is good anyway. So let's go guys, let me go and show you how it works. Okay guys, so here are the nails. Okay, look at it. So I'm going to fix this one now, this one with the gum. This is the gum. So I'll be showing you guys how to do it. It's very simple because I've tried it before. Let me open it. Okay, you can see the nails. You see it. So I think I opened this one before. This one. Then all you need to do is to open it like this. You see it? Sorry for my finger, because my finger is very bad. You see it? Then you gum it in your nails like this. Okay, let me do it very well. Use your hand. So, okay guys, you see it? I've already gum it. Let me show it to you. See it? Then all you need to do is to remove the label on it. Okay, can you see it? So I've removed the leather in the front. Then I'm going to take this nails now and fix it. Okay, just take it like this, then you press it. So that is it. So I'm going to do all of them, all the nails. You see it? So for example, if I don't like it like this, I can still shift it down to the end here and fix it very well, but I prefer it like this. See it? You see? So it's very beautiful. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to fix all of them one after the other. Okay guys, this is how it looks. You can see it. So I just finished fixing the nails. Look at it, it's very beautiful. So this is the other ones. You can see it. Look at it. This is this thing that came with it, the gum. So if I decided to file it, I can still file it here. See how it looks. So if I decide to file it, I can still file it. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you all guys for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.